State and local leaders want action and transparency. Thanks for joining us tonight at 10. I'm Dan Spieler.
And I'm Birshel Edmay. Lawmakers are now calling for a policy overhaul. Fox 59's Scarlett O'Hara breaks down the calls for change echoing across Indianapolis.
In a video statement on social media, State Senator Andrea Hundley said neither the city-county government nor the Democratic Party properly addresses sexual harassment prevention or reporting.
I'm upset, I'm angry, I'm frustrated that not enough is being done.
Hundley tells us she wants to see party leaders sit down with those who've been harmed to hear their thoughts and recommendations on next steps. So far, 2 women have gone on record, Caroline Ellert and Lauren Roberts, accusing former Hogsett aide Thomas Cook of coercing them into romantic relationships.
I do not think that this is a failure of one person or 2 people. I think this is a failure of a system.
That's why she's also calling for a third-party audit of workplace culture.
That people are scared. People are afraid of retribution. They are worried about how their words will be used against them. They are distrustful of people in positions of power, and for good reason. And so we need to make sure that they have a safe space and a safe space with experts to share their concerns.
This Friday, the City-County Rules and Public Policy Committee will consider 2 proposals. One would establish a separate branch of Human Resources to explicitly address sexual harassment. The other would authorize an internal investigation into the allegations and how they were initially handled.
We would see really more in-depth look at who knew what when, and why was nothing done in the past, and why was this allowed to continue on for so long.
City County Council Minority Leader Brian Mowry says members from both sides have been collaborating to ensure something gets done.
We want to make sure that people feel comfortable coming to us and letting them know that it will not fall on deaf ears, and we will take all allegations seriously.
Hundley added that while this immediate action is important, long-term change should be a priority as well.
We are one of the largest cities in this country. We need to make sure that we act like it, that we operate like it, and that we ensure that our people are protected.
In Indianapolis, Scarlett O'Hara, Fox 59 News.
Stay with Fox 59 as we continue to follow the search for long-term solutions. For now, all of our coverage on these allegations against Thomas Cook can be found on our website, fox59.com.